Hi guys, this is a small video review of this JACKLY JK6089-A screwdriver set, which I recently purchased on gearbest.com. As you can see, there are lots of bits inside it. The label says 45 in 1 about this package. The package itself looks like this. It has some automatic movement, and as you can see, the bit holders are also moving. So when it's closed, they won't fall off. Maybe it's a bit noisy, but it's an earlier model of JACKLY. So the rubber holders weren't used here. Actually, in this package there is a screwdriver bit. This is the handle with rubber inserts. There is a tweezer and an extension bar. It is a magnetic bit holder inside the handle. Maybe it's too much for this long extension, but it's very good for the smaller bits because they won't fall out much easily or too easily. I think that's all. Actually, it's not an outstanding quality, but for its price, it's a quite good bargain with this lots of bits and a quite good quality of the whole box, the plastics, the handle, and all the holders are quite good for the price. So I think it is a quite good deal at gearbest.com. Thanks for watching.